Are you still spending hours sifting through data trying to find that one insight that could change the game for your business? Imagine if you could cut that time in half, or better yet, get the answers you need with just a few clicks. In today's video, I'm going to show you the AI tool that's transforming data analysis, making it faster, smarter, and more intuitive than ever before. And the best part, you don't need to be a data scientist to use it. If you're serious about staying ahead in the data-driven world of the new AI era, watch the video till the end. Let's dive in. Introducing Julius AI, an AI-powered data analysis tool. It can read and analyze any kind of data sheet visually, explore a spreadsheet, clean your data methodically from a CSV spreadsheet or other file formats, and forecast time series data to understand trends and relationships. I will put the link in the description. Just head over there and create an account. Once you are logged in, your interface will look like this. Now you can upload a file or choose workflow to get started. On the left side of the page, you will find various options. In the Doc tab, you will find all the tips, FAQs, use cases, how-to videos, and more. In the Explorer Workflow tab, you will find various workflows that will help you to reduce your workload. Alright, let's start with a basic task. I am starting a new thread. Before starting, you can change the response model here. You will find models including GPT-4, GPT-40, and Gemini. This time I will go with the default model. Next in Tools, we have 3 different options which can be chosen as needed in the Advanced Reasoning section. Julius AI allows you to create and execute a plan for the task. Now it depends on us whether we want to enable it or not. Now here comes the first step to begin our data analysis. To do so, we need to upload data, and here you can see an Excel sheet of the data. This is quite a large data set, which is about the sales data of an outlet. Let's upload the file in Julius AI. In order to do so, click here. And then we have 2 different options, whether we want to upload a Google Sheet or a file. So let us go with the first option, and here we can upload files in different formats. These include spreadsheets, images, or PDFs, as we have our data in Excel. Let me choose it from my device. We just need to wait for a few seconds. Once the data is uploaded, we will be able to see this interface. This AI will automatically detect any issues with spreadsheets. Once the checking is over, we can interact with this data. We can choose different columns or rows to interact with specific data. However, we will be interacting with the entire data set. Let's begin by asking various questions related to the data set. First, let us ask for some insights about this data set. Once done typing, the prompt hit enter, and Julius AI will start its process here. You can see it is generating Python code. Once this is over, it will bring forth the results. So here is the comprehensive response to our data set. You can see the data contains information on our provided sheet. It provides us with the total sales amount, top selling items, sales by region, and top performing salespeople. In the end, it creates the visualizations. Julius AI generates visualization graphs for sales by region and the top 5 selling items. If you wanted to do all these tasks the old school way, you might have to spend many hours. Now, let's try to analyze data and create visualizations with a bigger file. I will upload this data file. It's the employee list of a company. All the data about employees are available here, including ID name, country entering date, salary, city, and more. I am uploading this file. Now, I am asking for insights from the data sheet. Like the previous one, it provides all the data and also the visualizations. Now, for example, I want to know the number of employees over the years. So I am typing, can you please provide the number of employees joining the company each year? You can see Julius AI starts analyzing the data, and here it is. It provides us with the hire year and the number of employees who joined each year. Next, this is the visualization of the list. Now, all of these things we've generated are 2D, so how about we step it up one level? Believe it or not, you can also create interactive 3D models of data with Julius. And I know it sounds insane, but it's true. To create this, I am typing, can you create this visualization in 3D format? Now, this is the actual output I got, which isn't too exciting. It's 3D, sure. But let's make it interactive. In order to do it, I'll have to refine the prompt a little bit. So let's do this instead. Can you create an interactive 3D visualization and give me a download link? Once it's done, just scroll down a bit and check this out. It's the same thing, but I can move it with my mouse. And now it's an actual 3D model. There's also a download link available. Like we told it to include, pretty good. Let's try to create an interactive pie chart with this model. Simply ask for an interactive pie chart of the visualization of the 3D model. Julius AI started its work and the pie chart is ready. It provides a download link also. So let's download the chart and see the result. That's really great. It instructs and shows the related data when I move the cursor. So now you can upload and announce any kind of data sheet with Julius AI. You can study any business data in just a few seconds and create a highly effective presentation within a few minutes. Not only that, you can convert the file into any file format. For example, I want to convert this file into a PDF. After uploading the file, I am typing to convert this file into PDF format. And here it is, the file is ready. In this competitive era, Julius AI will secure your data analyst job. And with the help of Julius AI, you can start working as a data analyst, even if you are not a data scientist. So don't forget to try the tool. Alright, friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about Julius AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.